Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today I've made lemon potatoes. It is a Greek recipe of the baked potatoes, and it's one of my favorite. So let's get started. To make the lemon potatoes, I'm using russet potatoes. These are very good for baking. And this dish is in two steps. First step will be, I will be boiling the potatoes for 2 minutes in the lamb stock. You can use chicken stock or vegetable stock. So first thing is I'll bring this stock to boil, and in the meantime I will peel these potatoes and cut them into wedges. So I have cut the potatoes, and the stock is also now boiling, but before that I'm going to take about a cup of this liquid and set it aside. Goes to the stock, and then bring it to the full boil, and then set the timer for 2 minutes. And in the meantime I will show you the rest of the ingredient. This is a stock. This is olive oil, about a cup. I'm going to add lemon juice. I'll put all the ingredients in the description and in the comment section. And paprika, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and this is Rava, semolina. This brings a little texture to the potatoes. And this is a stock which I will add little later. Mix all this, and within few seconds our potatoes, time to remove the potatoes. So the potatoes are removed from the stock. Now we will marinate this in the mixture. So I'm going to leave it like this for half an hour. I'm also going to add this stock. Okay, so preheat the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to put these potatoes in the oven. And we'll check up after 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, it looks done. And I also see the texture looks very crispy. So I have already put the potatoes in the serving dish. These potatoes are very soft and yet crispy because of the semolina or the rava which I added in the marinade. Excellent as a side dish to any main course.